So we talked about first rinsing, opening the tank top lids, and then rinsing from the platform using the hose stations located on the wall. And that rinses out each one of the tank. Next step is to hook up this temporary hose line, and then it cleans this top section of fixed piping. Diaphragm pump does the main work and it recirculates water through this thing. At the end, we use again the manual drain valves to drain out these tanks. Only cut tank and the dice tank needs to have this temporary arrangement or hose connecting the hose from the bottom of the cattle and bottom of the tote to run through that. In case of the dice, we are not using the tote, we are just connecting directly to the diaphragm pump. So once these totes gets rinsed out, we are going to start an automatic cycle from the operator interface. Once we start it, we put water into this cut tank, we put water into this dice tank. Both of them get about 3,000 pounds or roughly around 400-500 gallons of water. From when it's filling the cut tank, it goes through this recirc loop and cleans this one recirc pipeline, which is also full of product. So that gets rinsed out. Once it gets to the level of 3,000 pounds, it transfers from cut tank to the slurry to the each one of the cattle, one by one, for about 60 seconds. Right now it's set up. And that cleans up each section of the cut tank piping and cut tank and slurry tank to the tomato kitchen area, each cattle and its valves and its drops. Same thing happens with the dice tank. When it's up to 3,000, it supplies to the kitchen, it cleans all the supply lines to the kitchen, and it pulses through each one of the cattle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it cleans out those ones.